Rotary Bangalore Parisara is a cause-based club focused on environment. This was recently launched in Bengaluru. Smart Sustain was there to catch all the action.
In June 2020, the Rotary Foundation trustees unanimously agreed to make environment as a focus area of Rotary. When this event happened, it actually triggered a thought in a couple of us that the time has come, we need a Rotary club which is completely focused on environment, or a cause-based club which is focused on environment. So that's how the idea got germinated, and then we approached Rotary Pina to help us form this, and they were very kind enough, President and members of Rotary Pina, especially my dear friend Girish, and they put together all the paperwork and made this Rotary Bangalore Parisara possible. So other than myself and Nihar, the rest of the members of Rotary Parisara are first-time Rotarians. They bring with them tons of enthusiasm and fresh ideas, and we are extremely delighted to have them all with us today, and they give us so much energy and hope to do whatever we have set out to do. We also have like-minded partner organizations with whom we seek wonderful synergy, and we hope to be mutually useful to each other. With an amazing support and push from IPDG Nagendra Prasad, and as I said, Girish, Rotary Parisara got its approval from Rotary International about a couple of months back. And since then, we have been putting a team together. To summarize the purpose of Rotary Bangalore Parisara, we aim to work in areas like carbon footprint reduction, afforestation, electromagnetic radiation protection, repair and restoration of freshwater resources, community engagement, solid waste management, partnership with relevant NGOs, awareness and education through seminars, etc. This is the broad framework of activities we would like to engage ourselves in. And we are also looking at being pollinators of ideas, enablers of projects, and implementers of whatever that's within our reach.
Nagesh Siddhanti is the chair and Nihar Rao is the secretary of RBP. The other members are Leela MN, Sriram Vishwanathan, Ashok TA, Manjunath Gangadhar, Anup Gopinath, Malvika, Srivatsa and Srinivasulu.
In a democratic setup where we have, it is public mandate and people's will that direct majority of the decision making processes. We may think it's only election kind of a thing, but then take it that people's will decide who will govern, and who will govern will decide what are the kinds of decisions we take. So in this setup, it becomes very, very important for all of us to have a well-informed society where people are made aware of what is what. Unless people know what is what, then all the decisions and then bigger direction which moving will be in a wrong direction. Today, Prati Dina Rajyadalli 12,000 tons of municipal solid waste is generated, of which every day we are only processing around 5,000 tons. 7,000 tons of garbage is thrown, littered in public. 7,000 tons per day. When unsegregated waste, dry waste, wet waste, COVID waste, biomedical waste, sanitary waste, everything if you are putting in a underground landfill, unlayered landfill, God knows what will happen, what kind of different chemical equations or reactions, and it turns out into a malagile bandaga leachate agi, it gets into groundwater. Now imagine if groundwater is polluted, can anybody reclaim it? Organizations like Rotary, who are here to serve, to change lives, this is a bigger opportunity, and then I'm so happy that there is a satellite Rotary organizations completely dedicated to this, and no better person than Nagesh is leading that organization. I'm very hopeful, and then I'm very confident that this will really go a long way, and then it can set standards for many other Rotary organizations to take this topic as their primary mandate. And Pollution Control Board is with them, and then in any of their programs. Today I saw a lot of these initiatives where a lot of well-meaningful people have taken, and then Pollution Control Board, at any point of time, anybody has any such thought, idea that should be taken to public, board is always with them, and then I will be very happy to get associated with that.
Somehow we cannot bring environment as a subject of immediate concern. See, it may be blasphemous to say it now, but climate change is more dangerous than COVID. COVID is going away. It may come back again, but you're already a little bit prepared, which is why we're not wearing masks, see? Because we feel a little bit confident always that it's going to get better. But the climate is not going to get better. Not for another 100 years, 200 years, it's not going to get better. Forget mitigation, you need to stop this now. Mitigation is a bigger call. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಪ್ಯಾನೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, IPCC. In 2018, they already were giving out little bits of reports and saying how dangerous this is. One of the examples they gave, it's my favorite one, they said was that sea green turtles, which come to the beach to lay eggs, if the water temperature rises by one more degree, the average seawater temperature, then the male will become sterile. Now, turtles are very hardy creatures. They've existed for a very, very, very long time, for millions of years. Humans are very fragile, Homo sapiens. If climate change can have that effect on them, you really have to worry. There's a very serious problem. One major thing we can do this year, soon, because he's part of the same team, Rotarian Gautam is here, he's the chair for Avani. Soon this year, I promise you what we couldn't do during your year, we will soon announce a very major plan which we want you, Nagendra Prasad ji, to adopt as a major 10-year program for Rotary 3190 under a trust or something. We'll see what we can do, but we have advanced that idea. Now we will internally confer and will present a project for 1,000 Rotarians to get involved in, where it will be relentless work for at least 10 years. And it's going to come to us, to each one of us. We saw the floods in China, in Germany this year. I don't think anyone can do this better than Rotary International, with 1 million hearts that care. If we can't fix it, I'm telling you, this is a very selfish world. Nobody can fix it. So welcome Rotary Parisara to this great cause.
Let's all work together. It is possible. We can do something good, because this is the last chance I feel we have. We need to educate our own people, especially down the line. That is the most important thing. The most of the educated people now, especially because Parisarakke, environment, we are all have been doing a lot of things on that. It has been taken care to some extent. But down the line, people are not being educated properly, not given facility. How to address each and every problem. That I think if we can do it, we can take this Rotary flag to the highest, because this is one of the important focus areas for Rotary. And we have been every year, as Srinivas Murthy was talking about, 1.5 lakh ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು every year ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Every year Rotary District 3190, I am not talking of the whole Rotary, I am talking only our district. We have been doing that every year, ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ at different places with the help of many NGOs. But apart from that, these are all some of the important things where we need to focus, and definitely I feel that we will all work together and do that. Avani ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ Prakash Belbadi from past 3-4 years he has been focusing, and especially last 2 years in that it is growing up. That is where he is looking more of environment, and Pinya has been supporting many clubs directly, indirectly. We have been doing that, so it's our passion to see that, as we said.
Rotary Bangalore Parisara will be actively involved in various environment related activities in the coming days, and it is proud to be partnering with Forest First Samiti, Let's Be the Change, Live Safe, Hulimavu Kere Taranga, Dr. Ajit Sabnis, and Smart Sustain. To know more about this and join Rotary Bangalore Parisara's initiatives, please contact Rotary Bangalore Parisara at gmail.com. This is Purti for Smart Sustain.